Assalamualaikum. My name is Widi Mutakin, founder of Expo Studio. For more than 20 years, I have been involved with hundreds of projects including architecture, interior design, master plans, and so on. I have worked with many clients all over the world. Besides doing projects, I have also been teaching 3D and computer graphics academically since 2000. In short, I have both professional expertise and teaching experience. As you may already know, Blender is currently the most popular and widely used 3D software, with around 20 million active users worldwide. However, few people know that Blender is also fully capable of doing architectural design and visualization. I know this for a fact because I have been using Blender for almost a decade now to tackle all kinds of architecture and interior design projects with great success. Like many others in the architecture industry, I started with the common tools such as AutoCAD, SketchUp, 3ds Max, V-Ray, Corona, and the like. But after trying out Blender and seeing how rapidly it is being developed, I was a firm believer that one day Blender will take over the 3D industry. I decided to jump ship and fully commit to Blender ahead of other people. It was not smooth sailing at first, because back then, almost no one used Blender for architectural projects. There were hardly any videos or blogs discussing the topic, not to mention online courses. I had to develop my own workflow by putting all the puzzle pieces together myself. All these struggles finally paid off. Now, Blender can replace almost all of my previous software. I can design directly in 3D and provide my clients with visualizations so much faster compared to my old conventional workflow. Blender has everything that I need in one place. It has robust 3D modeling tools. It has modifiers and geometry nodes for procedural workflow. It has cycles for photorealistic renderings. It has EUV for real-time rendering. It has a node-based compositor for post-production. And it even has a video editor built in. After years of perfecting the workflow, in this course, I want to share with you how I handle architectural projects using Blender. To ease out the learning curve, we will start with something simple, which is designing a small single-story house. With this project, you will learn how to design a floor plan from scratch. Then, you will use the floor plan to model the walls, the roof, the facade, the windows, the doors, and the rest of the house details. After that, we will add the UV mapping and then assign the materials and textures. Once the architecture is complete, we then move on to adding more details to the project so that the house does not appear empty and lifeless in rendering. We will add furniture to the front porch. We will also add furniture to the interior, which includes the front bedroom and living room. Next, we will create the lighting on the interior ceilings, and then create the lighting outside the house. After that, we will add vegetation around the house area and its surroundings. We will add grasses, small plants, and then large trees. Please note that I'll be using two paid add-ons for this process, GeoScatter and Botanic. Yes, you can replace these two add-ons with free alternatives. However, I want to show you my workflow as is, so these two add-ons are the ones I'll be using. As the final step, we will create two different camera views with two different lighting scenarios. One view will be slightly from the left. This one will have afternoon lighting, while the other view will be slightly from the right. We want lighting in this view to have a morning vibe. So join now and make Blender your unfair advantage in the architecture field. Have fun learning. Wassalamualaikum.